Hey guys, what's up? It's me Ted and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Nike Olivia Kim Air Force 107. So who is Olivia Kim? Olivia Kim is a Nordstrom Director of Creative Projects. So just a brief background, what is Nordstrom? Nordstrom is a leading fashion retailer offering compelling clothes, shoes, and accessories for men, women, and kids since 1901. So we're gonna get the bag. Here it is. This is what it got from shipping. Ba't ako nag-English? So, galing siyang Singapore. Tapos, we didn't expect na manggagaling siyang Singapore. So, yun. Akala namin hindi na siya darating. Actually, nakita siya sa website ng boyfriend ko. So, pinakita niya sa akin. And nagustuhan ko. So, yun. In-order ko. Tapos, ito na siya. So, this is the box. You see? Ay, balikan. Basahin niyo na. Tapos, meron din siya dito sa likod. And this box was made from China. And then, here it is. As you may know, yung sole nito is glow in the dark. This shoe has a corduroy upper and glow in the dark details. And then, midsole neto is made from glow-in-the-dark materials then inspired by river culture. So yun, speaking of tongue niya, yung unique tongue niya is labeled inspired by the 90s. And the color shown, or the colorway, is hyper blue, sail, and vault, which is nakikita na. That yellow-green accents. Well, comfortable naman yung Air Force 1. Kasi, ano siya, may air technology din siya. Like other shoes ng Nike. For the price range, mga 6,000 plus siya. Pero may shipping pa si Nike sa website which is 500 and may COD fee pa ata siya na is 180. Yung natatandaan ko, I think. So, yun. And what's special about this shoe is glow in the dark yung midsole niya. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi kita sa camera. Kailangan ko patayin yung ilaw. You saw that? Tagalan ko pa. Yun o. See? There. May ilaw na. So, yan lang. So, yun guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung review ko and yung shoes also. So, if ever na gusto niyo din naman i-cop to, they still have sizes sa website but hindi na siya full sizes. Ano na siya? konti na lang. And sana sa website meron pa kung gusto nyo i-cop kasi this is a collab, so medyo limited lang yung release nila. And muntik ko na makalimutan, guys. So ito siya, may free siyang, hindi ko alam anong tawag dito, pero yun nga, Olivia Kim, kay Betty Boop talaga siya. So may isa pang ganito na mas limited, so mas mahal siya, na collab with Olivia Kim. Papakita ko na lang yung picture. White color siya na may na-divide yung upper niya sa parang transparent and with white color. So pakita ko na lang siya. So yun. Comment down below na lang pala, guys, kung ano yung tawag dito or kung anong tawag sa accessory na to, kasi hindi ko alam. So it's a wrap, guys. If ever na first time dito sa channel ko, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and kung may suggestions kayo, questions, or comments, please comment down below sa comment box. Thank you so much na natapos niyo ang video ko and ang vlog ko for today. Abangan nyo yung mga upcoming videos ko din soonest. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.